Heading out to his new home, Sour Lake, Texas. There's the new owner right there. Bye-bye, Gator Pit. Enjoy your new home. Serve them well. Nick Fulbright, San Antonio, Texas, picking up his brand new Gator Pit. Check out that beauty. Beautiful. Looks good behind that big old truck. What's your company, Nick Fulbright Logistics?
NK Logistics.
Say it again.
NK Logistics.
NK Logistics out of San Antonio, guys. Need something from them, give them a call. Need some barbecue, give them a call. Hell, you just do it all now, don't you? There we go. Beautiful pit, guys. Gator number 2 pulling out, heading to his new home in San Antonio, Texas. Bye-bye. Enjoy your new home. Make some people happy.